If you've created a Telegram bot and want to delete it permanently, you've come to the right place. Today I'm going to show you step-by-step process to delete your bot. A Telegram bot is a special type of account on Telegram designed to automate tasks. Bot can send messages, run commands, and interact with users in different ways. To delete a Telegram bot, we're going to use a built-in feature. Open the Telegram on your phone or desktop. Find the bot that you want to delete. Simply press on it for hold and press on it for a long time until you see stop and block bot. Simply tap on it and your bot will be stopped and blocked on your account. Next thing we are using is bot father. In the search bar at the top, type bot father and select the verified bot bot. It has a blue check mark next to its name. Once you're in the bot father chat, type the on-screen command. This command will bring up a list of all the bots you've created through bot father. Select the bot that you want to delete from the list. After selecting your bot, you will see a menu with various options. To delete your bot, type the command /delete bot. Bot father will ask you to confirm if you're sure you want to delete your bot. Confirm by clicking yes. Once you confirm, bot father will send you a message letting you know that the bot has been deleted successfully.